Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to and what to inspect after you had a storm, hailstorm, or thunderstorm. In case of any storm, hailstorm, or thunderstorm damages, it's not part of builders or any warranty, so you will need to contact your insurance company to file a claim. So the first thing is to evaluate your issues. What do you find after these things happen? Make sure you do that within 1 or 2 days so you can file the claim and then you can start the process of repairing them before anything gets worse. Because in the case of your shingles being blown off, then there are chances if there's a rain, then you may get a water leak inside your house. So it's best to evaluate your damages and then file a claim with your insurance company and then start the process of the repair. Now I will explain how to evaluate the issues, and then you can find and make a list of them. So first we will be inspecting roof. So the best way to do it is using drone, but if you don't have access to the drone, then you can just go across the street from your house and use your camera to zoom in and inspect. So like this, you can click some pictures, then you can go to back of your house, then click more pictures and you can review it. So if there's any issue, you can get it fixed. Then the next is to inspect your siding around the house. So that to make sure there is no siding piece that came off or loose, so you can also get it fixed before winter starts. Third will be to inspect the eaves, so you can check if there's any leaky corners or any issue with the leaves. So you may notice after the thunderstorm that one or more of your outlets may not work. So the first thing you need to do is plug out any appliances or anything that's plugged into those outlets. So make sure that nothing is plugged in. Then come to your basement, then find the breaker that is tripped. Let's say it's a number 7B or A is tripped off. So if it's in the middle, then if you will try to turn it on, it won't turn on properly. So you will need to turn it off first, leave it off for 10 to 15 minutes and then turn it on. So that will reset the breaker, and then now you can test those outlets and then they'll be working. But there's also a chance that if it's in the middle and it won't move, so then it can be that your breaker is blown or dead. That means because of the thunderstorm, there was a surge in the power that blown your breaker. So in that case, you will need to call electrician, and then there are chances that anything that was plugged into that breaker may also go bad. So you have to evaluate further on that situation. Now, if you call your electrician to fix that breaker and they do it, then next step you can do to protect yourself from the next thunderstorm is to install a surge protector, also called surge suppressors. So what they do is, in case of thunderstorm or any spike in the power that's coming into your house from the electrical panel, it will protect your electrical panel, the breaker, and anything that's plugged into the outlets. So it will save you a lot of money in long run, and they are not very costly. I think they cost about $250 to $300, but I would recommend them to be installed by a professional electrician. So it can be a master electrician or certified electrician. So please, when you call your electrician, please make sure they are qualified to install those. For watching the video, I hope there is no damage to your house. Please subscribe to the channel. I post videos regarding home maintenance and more helpful videos to keep your house in best shape. Thank you.